Quick video tonight, guys. We had a little bit of a fire at the workshop and the boat motor melted, so my buddy has to test out this new motor. We're testing out fuel system he rigged up and everything else. So what we got going on now is under this lid here we've got the fuel tank, and he ran the line into the PVC pipe here around the side of the boat. So we ran that line in that PVC pipe right down the side of the boat, ran it down to the back of the motor, a little primer pump down there, and we're just testing it out. A little 9.9 horse this year, better than the 7.5 is what we had last year.
Yep.
So we're a little bit of a horsepower upgrade. That's awesome. This was supposed to be a trip to our marina where we've got a slip this year for the boat, and they're closed for right now. So we have zero fishing gear on us right now, and we did that because the creek we were supposed to test this motor out in is no fishing due to the walleye spawn. Looks like we're gonna head in